Hi, Anna here with this week's JDS Insider. Did you know you can earn free samples and advertising literature when you buy products through JDS? Here's how the program works. Up to 1% of the purchases you made with JDS last year has been credited to your sample account. Use the balance to order items for display in your showroom or use in your sales and marketing campaigns. Not sure where to start? Here's a tip. Log in and type sample sets in the search field, or polar camel sample, or leatherette sample. You get the idea. To help you sell more, JDS has created hundreds of sample sets. Use your sample balance to buy some, or use your sample dollars to purchase retail catalogs. Both are tools to help your business grow. Applying your sample balance to a purchase is easy. If placing your order by phone, simply tell your customer service rep and we'll take care of it. If buying online, just add a note to the order instructions. When reviewing your order during the checkout, scroll down to the order instructions section, click on the black bar and type a short message. Let us know you want to use your sample balance and to which items it should be applied. If you are unsure how many sample dollars are available, log into the dealer website and click the account button. Your balance will appear here. Sample dollars must be used by the end of each calendar year. They will not roll over. On January 1st, your sample balance will automatically be reestablished based on your previous year's purchases. All the more reason to check out your balance and order some samples today. And now you know.